Here is the npm package, and here are the steps how to install it into your Claude Desktop. Here are the steps of it. Now I'm switching back to Claude Windows. You can go to Customize, Developer, click on Edit Config here. You will be redirected to a JSON file. Open this file. Here you will be having a MCP server configuration. Import the add the QA Touch MCP server configuration here with your QA Touch domain name and API token. After that, you will be seeing the status as running here, so that it is successfully configured here. Now the QA Touch MCP is configured into Claude. The next thing we are going to do about is configuring the Atlassian's Rovo connector, so that we can fetch the requirements from Atlassian and generate test cases here. For that, just go to connectors. Here in the add connector, you can select browse connector and search for Atlassian Rover, which I've already configured here. If you import it as a new connector, you will be having this button called connect. Just click on it, give the permissions of your Atlassian, and you will be able to connect to your Atlassian account from Claude. It is already connected here. And the third step we are going to do is about importing a QA skill to generate test cases from Jira requirement. We already have a predefined skill, and we have given that in the npm package itself in the GitHub. You can use it out. Here is the Claude skill. Go to skills. You will be able to see a skill called Jira QA Touch Case Generator.skill. You can just download the skill from the GitHub here. To import it, go to Customize, Skills, click on Add, upload a skill. You can upload the .skill file here. You will be able to see your skill all added to your Claude account. Now let me show you how to use it in action. For example, it's already connected. Let me just first list the QA Touch projects here, so that you will be able to now know how MCP works. List latest QA Touch projects. Here it has list the 15 most recent projects from my QA Touch domain. As you can see here, this is my QA Touch domain. Here are the project list. It took all the 15 latest QA Touch projects. Now I'm going to say, like, I'm invoking my Claude skill, Jira QA Touch case generator. I'm taking a user story from my Jira account, like search projects, products with advanced filter. I'm copying the URL of my Jira user story, giving it to my Claude, invoking the Claude skill, and I'm just saying, like, generate 5 test cases. I've already given all the instruction in this skill, like what are all the structure I need, the module name, test data, test steps, and expected results. What are all the scenarios I need, positive, negative, functional, test cases, everything I've written in the skill. So just by invoking that and just by giving a simple prompt, it will generate the required test cases. Meanwhile, Claude is doing the work. You will be able to view a poll in your screen. Let's answer the poll, make the session more interactive. Yeah, as you can see here, as we asked, Claude has created test cases with module name, test data, estimate, reference, precondition. With all the details which I have mentioned in the skill, it has created a comprehensive set of test cases as I requested. Now you need not to export it and import it separately using your test management tool. You can just ask Claude like create all these test cases into QA Touch and just give the project name. I'm giving my project name. I'll give the latest project name like MCP demo and its key. Now Claude will analyze the tool sets which I have given in the MCP. It finds the right tool and create all the test cases to QA touch. While it's creating, we can explore some of our NPM package. Like as you can see in the NPM package here, we have some sample prompts you can make use of while using QA Touch MCP in Claude. You will be able to create things like project, test cases, modules, everything. You will be also able to generate reports, generate a comprehensive dashboard with graphical reports. There were multiple users here. You can just explore all the example prompts while connecting the MCP in QA Touch. In Claude, you can also connect in Claude Desktop and Cursor. Now, as you can see, Claude has done its work. All the 5 test cases has been created in the project. Now, let's navigate back to the project and see whether it is created. Yeah, as you can see here, it has created a module named product search and created all the 5 test cases which we have generated from the Claude. Now, let's go back to the Claude and ask it to create a test run based on it. Create a test run with these test cases. Name. This is my test run name. I'm giving it and asking Claude to create a test run in QA Touch. It asking for first to create a milestone. Since test run will be based on the milestone, you can just first create the milestone first and ask to create a test run. If I start from the second step, a Claude will automatically ask for me to create a release first and then the test run. So I'm saying like first create a milestone. Now it is asking for listing all the users in my domain and asking for the assignee for the test run. I'm choosing an assignee. Now it has created a test run and assigned it to the user which I have selected. Let's go back to my domain and check. I'm going to test runs. As you can see, it has created the test run in the name which I have given, added all the test cases to it, and assigned it to the tester which I have selected. Now let's update the result from Claude itself. Like listed the test cases. I'm asking the Claude to update the status of TR001 and 002 to past. Both were updated as past. Now let me update the third test case has failed and add a defect. Add defect. Sort options are not working. Now it has created a defect for this test case. Go to the issues tab. Here you can see the newly created defect from Claude. Now let's generate a report using that. Since I'm using only one test run and one project in this context window, I'm just referring it to it as this. If you're using multiple test run, just mention the test run name or the test run key. Yeah, now it has generated the report. 60% of the test cases were executed, pass rate, and how many were failed. What are all the details of the test